Simply Construction Group is the leading choice for loft conversions, home extensions, basements and architectural plans in London and the West Midlands. Why should you choose Simply Construction Group for your building project? We've been trading since 2007 and have completed thousands of projects with many positive reviews and references. Our financial stability and commitment to quality ensures that we stand the test of time, providing peace of mind to our clients. Simply Construction Group acts as a guarantor across all projects. This means we ensure our building teams follow the agreed specifications and contract. If they don't, no matter the cost, Simply will ensure your work is completed to the agreed contract and cost. Our dedicated in-house team, divided into customer service, operations, sales, design and site management, provides unparalleled support to our clients throughout the project, removing any unwarranted stress. For a stress-free project, our automated dashboard app is unlike any other and lets our clients monitor their projects on the go, tracking progress, costs and variables, all at the touch of a button. We never compromise on the quality of our work and employ skilled building teams who are experts in their field. We pay slightly more for our building teams, so we vet and attract the best, from simple loft conversions and extensions to complex basement conversions. The finish of our work is second to none. Our in-house warranty team allows us to quickly address any warranty issues without relying on external contractors. In the unlikely event there is an issue with our work and it's covered by our 10-year warranty, we will ensure this is sorted. Unlock the potential of your home with Simply Construction Group and enjoy a stress-free design and build project.